Hello, myself Chetan Singhal. Today I will demonstrate Mule-TCP endpoints, Mule-TCP connector. I am creating new Mule project like Mule-TCP example. For creating Mule TCP server, we need the Mule TCP inbound endpoint. For creating the TCP client, we need TCP outbound endpoint. So for TCP client and server, I am creating separate configuration file. So I am renaming default configuration file TCP server, and I am also creating new configuration file for TCP client. I am creating one bean class like user bean. I am creating few instance variable. In the TCP, we are sending object as a byte stream, so we have to serialize this class. So I am implement the serialize interface. I have created default serial version UID, and I am creating one more class for TCP server to print our payload user object. So class name TCP server. Here I am implement the callable interface, so I can get payload. I have to typecast this payload with user variable, and now I am printing. This is user ID, user first name, and user last name. And I am putting some string like data receive anything. For TCP server, I am taking TCP endpoint. We can give any port. I am giving the port 5000. If we need advanced setting, so we can configure the TCP connector. Right now I am giving a simple demonstration, so I am not configuring the TCP connector. Here I am using component, Java component. We will get our output as a byte stream, so we have to convert in the object. So I am using global byte array to object transformer. Return class equal to user class. and here I am passing. So it will convert byte array to object in the user object. Now I am creating TCP client. For TCP client we need TCP outbound endpoint. So for flow I am taking HTTP inbound, and I will post JSON user JSON from the HTTP and then post to the TCP outbound endpoint. So here TCP outbound, like I am giving the HTTP port for 8086 and path equal 0, and I am passing the header content type application JSON, then JSON to object transformer for converting JSON to object, and return class equal to user class. If now I show you the XML, this is our HTTP endpoint. Here our JSON to object transformer. Here we have to give the 5000 port for the TCP server, because TCP server is running on the 5000 port. Here whatever I am getting from TCP, I have to again convert to the JSON. So JSON object to a JSON transformer. Now I am running my application. It deployed successfully. Now I open the Postman to post our API. I use the localhost 8086, and in the body I am passing the ID for fname and last name. This is the instance variable of our user class, and the header content type application JSON. Now I am sending this request. I am getting some error. This user detail is print ID, fname, first name, and so here I have to set some payload. I am again running this application. Here we have to also transform. Let me copy this thing, the global here. And one more change, because we are transforming the user, so I am also converting this as a user. Now I am again running poly. This time this should not be give any error. Yeah, it's showing receive. So here no any errors is occur right now. So here we if we want to change some value, like now I want change the user object value, and so we can also check uh, this value from client side also. Whatever value we are returning, we can if I comment out this, and in the TC server class I change the user first name to like user ID, user dot set id equal to 3. Now I am again running this my application. You see id equal to 3. So server update the user object and return the set the id equal to 3, and we get a new id here. Thanks for viewing my TCP server video.